From March 1st, 2021, South Australia will be replacing the waste. Now is the time to do a stocktake and stop ordering single-use plastic stirrers and cutlery. Do not order compostable plastic items such as those made from polyastic acid or PLA, as this is also prohibited for these items. Now is also the time to decide if you will offer single-use plastic straws for customers with disability or health needs. Check with your supplier. You may be able to return excess stock for use interstate. Commercial plastic recycling facilities may be able to process your excess stock. Do not dispose of excess stock, whether packaged or loose, in council recycling bins. This will avoid causing problems in recycling facilities, such as items getting caught in the machinery. Reduce the cost of alternatives by reducing unnecessary items provided to your customers. This can save you money and avoid waste. When these items are required, consider reusable alternatives. If disposable alternatives to cutlery, stirrers and straws are required, look for compostable products that do not contain plastic or PLA. Educate your staff and inform your customers of the change starting on March 1st, 2021. Together, we can lead the rest of Australia to replace the waste. For more information, supplier lists and support material, visit replacethewaste.sa.gov.au.